Okay, guys, well, you're not gonna believe what I just found in my backyard. It's disgusting. Yes. And, yeah, this is Lucy's new look, and she just has these earrings in. They're really cute. And it's bracelet. Anyway, but yeah, this is what I found. Ew, it's a dead bird. Okay, like, it's disgusting. Set my webcams down. But, yeah, there it is. There's a bug flying around my head. Okay, I need to find a stick. Set you down for 1 second. Okay, found a stick. I'm gonna flip it around though. I'm gonna like touch it. Okay. Oh, gross. Ew, it's feet. Feet are right there. Yuck. Ew. It's fine. That's disgusting. Ew. That is really gross. My neighbor is out. Anyway, but that was disgusting. I'm afraid people are gonna look at me, so yeah. Thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe.